Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels, which you can use as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. And when we look at the economical events calendar for today is Thursday, 4th August, we have medium impacting news for British pound related currency pairs at 2 p.m. And from 4:30 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for British pound related currency pairs. At 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. And at 9:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade entry and exits. Let us begin our gold analysis. When we look at the price action from 4 hours time frame, it is very clear that the current price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame, and previously we have noticed the price action to get rejected from this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and currently also we are noticing the same price action being repeated. And when we look at this area of the price action more closely, I am drawing a channel pattern to understand the current trend of the price action, and based on this channel pattern we can clearly understand that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. Currently it has tested the support line of the bullish channel pattern in 4 hours time frame, and still it has not broken the support line. So we know that the price action has bounced back from the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. Wait for the price action to break the support line and also break this higher time frame support level of 1746 in order to get the confirmation on the bearish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Currently it is trading between a resistance level from the higher time frame and also the support level. So currently the price action in 4 hours time frame is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within a bullish channel pattern. But we know that this is a very strong resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. Wait for the confirmation on the bearish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a resistance line or a trend line. So based on this trend line, it is very clear that the current price action is consolidating within the support line of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame and the resistance line from the hourly time frame. It is under a consolidation only. There is no trend reversal yet. Soon we can expect a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side, based on which you can take a directional trade. If it breaks on the bullish side also, we have the resistance line from the daily time frame, and only when it breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. And if the price action breaks the support line of the bullish channel pattern, this bullish channel pattern will become invalid. We can expect the price action to continue with bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between a very strong resistance and very strong support from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within the support line of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame and the resistance line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1772 from the higher time frame. and also we have the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So this will be acting as the next level of resistance. Once this resistance is broken, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also, because it will be trading within a bullish channel pattern in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action fails to break this resistance line from the daily time frame, it will be the trend reversal, and we can expect the bearish trend to start from this resistance line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, previously the price got rejected from the hourly time frame resistance line, and it has taken support on the bullish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame. I am drawing a trend line or a support line from where it bounced back on the bullish side trend reversal, and currently we are noticing the price action to respect this trend line or the support line and to trend on the bullish side. Currently the candle is bridging this resistance line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the candles to close above this support line in order to take trades on the bullish side. Currently it is only bridging. The candles have not closed above this support line or the trend line. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1772 from the higher time frame. It is the previous high also. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. If the price action breaks this support line of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to start in 5 minutes time frame also. Currently the price action looks very bullish in 5 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.